Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about an absolute game-changing approach that's going to significantly elevate the way that you deliver your interview stories. If you've ever felt that your answers were missing something, maybe too shallow, too rushed, or just not impactful enough, this one's going to be for you. We're going to be looking at how root cause analysis, and yes, I know it's a tool that's often used in engineering and operations, but by understanding what RCA is, can actually help you build deeper, clearer, and more structured interview answers. So let's dive in. Let's start with the problem first. Most interview answers, especially behavioral ones, are too surface level. You'll hear people say things like, I improved the process by automating a task, or I led a team to hit a deadline. Okay, why did you do that? What was broken? What was the deeper issue? What were the consequences if you hadn't intervened? This is where root cause analysis comes in. When you understand the underlying reasons behind the actions you took, you start telling more strategic stories rather than just recounting a chronological list of events. And this is going to take your STAR+HR answers go from basic to incredible. Let's have a quick reminder on what STAR+HR is, which is simply an expanded method for structuring your tell me a time answers. S stands for situation. In here, we want to include things like people, place, and time. T is for the task, where you're going to identify the goal, the problem, or the challenge. A is the action. What was it that you did and why? R, which is the result. What was the impact or value that you delivered? The additional HR stands for headline, which is a 2-sentence summary at the very beginning, directly answering the question. And then R, reflection. What was it that you learned? What would you do differently if you had the opportunity? Root cause analysis helps you specifically within the task, action, and reflection stages, allowing you to give them more depth and clarity. Let's look at one of the most accessible RCA techniques, which is the 5 whys. It's really simple. When you state something that you did in a project or challenge, ask yourself why 5 times. Let's try this in an example. You might say something like, I created a new dashboard for our sales team. Ask yourself why, and you might say, because they couldn't track their KPIs in real time. Okay, why was that important? Because they were missing monthly targets. And why were they missing their monthly targets? Because they lacked visibility into lead performance. Okay, why was that happening? Because the data was scattered across many tools. And finally, why hadn't that been addressed? Because nobody had centralized ownership of reporting. Now, you're not just the person who made a dashboard, you're the person who solved a systemic issue of data fragmentation, directly impacting the revenue performance of the business. The clarity and impact of this statement is so much more impressive, highlighting your professionalism in identifying problems and then going out of your way in bringing greater value to the team, business, and customer experience by fixing them. Here's how RCA boosts each part of your STAR+HR answers. In the task, get specific, go beyond the obvious. Use RCA to uncover the real challenge. Instead of saying the task was to improve a process, say the task was to reduce delays caused by duplicated manual entries, something we trace back to unclear ownership across 2 departments. In action, focus on not just what you did, but why and how you chose that approach. After identifying the root cause issue was data access, I coordinated with the IT to integrate reporting tools instead of just retraining the teams harder. Now you're demonstrating strategic thinking and not just checking off boxes. And now we come to reflection. RCA helps you explain how you think and grow. Interviewers absolutely love this. Looking back, I initially thought it was a training issue, but by digging into the data and asking the right questions, I realized it was a systems issue. That completely shifted how I approach every situation now. I start with curiosity and not just simply making assumptions. Most vague answers come from skipping steps. Root cause analysis helps you slow down, zoom in, and uncover meaning. Without it, you might say, I resolved a client issue. With RCA, you could say, I resolved a client churn risk by uncovering the root causes in our onboarding communication. Clients didn't know what to expect in their first 30 days, leading to confusion and cancellations. I introduced a welcome workflow and reduced churn by 40%. With this answer, the value is clear and the message is memorable. So there we have it. Root cause analysis isn't just for engineers, it's for anyone who wants to communicate value with clarity. Let's highlight 4 key points to take away from this. 1, we want to use tools like the 5 whys to deepen your STAR+HR answers. 2, focus on why things happened, not just what happened. 3, use RCA to show thought process, growth, and strategic thinking. And lastly, 4, always ask, would someone outside this project understand the full picture from my answer? And there we have it. In the next episode, we're going to be looking at something crucial for those looking to step into leadership positions, how to answer leadership interview questions, especially if you're going into your first management role. If you liked this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe, and share it with somebody who is preparing for an interview right now. I think they're going to thank you later. And also, if you want help reviewing your answers and techniques, drop a comment below or reach out. I'd love to hear how you're applying it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.